Oh.
How about cup?
How about the cup? Is it big or small? You answer.
Small.
How about number 4?
It's
It's a bag.
small.
Small. Number 5.
It's very big.
Big. You write down. Big. B. Number 1. Matchbox. Small or big?
Lunchbox.
Matchbox.
It's
Small or big? Small. Number 2. How about the ball?
big.
Big. How about the jar?
Big.
Big.
Daddy, baka na po, pagbili ka po ng bread, daddy pa po doon, daddy pa, kala ko po siya. Okay, daddy.
Okay. How about the cart?
That's big.
Big. How about the cup? Is it
Small.
small or big? Small. Man.
Small.
Some. You write down small. Yun na, yun nasa baba. Number 1, B Batchmax is smaller.
Think I'm drawing.
Hindi, you don't need to draw it. You have to write it down.
Where?
Ayan o, gagayahin mo na lang yan o. Dito na. Yes. Number 1. Number 1, B. Matchbox is smaller.